If we were to start over again, I don't think I would do these boxes like this. They're starting to deteriorate now. It's like 4 or 5 years into it. And about 2 or 3 years into it, we found these smart pots, and we started using these. And we'll talk about them more later. I guess we'll talk about them now. These are fabric raised beds they work just like the other raised beds, but they have some key differences. One is that these sides here take in air. So normally plants that are in like a raised bed like that aren't able to get air from the sides, and air is pretty important for plants. It needs to take it in. So especially if it's rained a lot and there's like flooding up on top, well, that plant's suffocating. Well, plants can't suffocate in this. They get air from everywhere. It's impossible to suffocate a plant in these unless they're sitting in water, and you get the idea though. So these make it a lot easier, and also they're portable. I really like that. Like things like peppers and tomatoes, we want to be able to pull them inside in April when there's a hailstorm coming, so we don't have to cry about our peppers getting torn up like we did the first year when they were out stationary in the bed. Another thing about them is you can water a lot easier with these. There's kind of two different ideas of growing. One is like in these smart pots where each plant is in its own kind of individual container, but then also you could do larger beds. So either a raised bed, or they have these really big smart pots that are 100 gallons, like 3 feet across, and they're circles. And we have those kind of like crop circles all across our yard. And the way that we grow in those is like a lot of our spinach and greens and stuff like that, we'll just sprinkle kind of everywhere all in the bed, and we treat it like just one big bed. So we also have those larger beds that are like an herb garden, where it's like a theme, or we'll have a salsa garden. Like you can do those in a lot of different ways. But if I were starting over, I would only do those smart pots.